back right now in the weather world. 1993?
Yes, if any of you remember the superstorm or the blizzard of 93, as many people remember. I know there's been lots going on in the weather world. It's been wet for us, but check this out. If you remember, I do. I was just slightly younger. I definitely remember this. We had almost 4 to 10 inches in some parts of central Alabama, but look at this. Record snowfall totals up towards Tennessee and the Carolinas, over 50 inches. So there's a fun fact for you there. This day in history, it actually started yesterday and kind of moved through today is that history day. So the 12th and the 13th of March. But today doesn't feel like any winter weather. Temperatures have been in the 70s. Right now we're in the low 60s in Tuscaloosa. A north wind, I call it a refreshing north breeze. A couple of light showers to our north and some light rain there towards Anniston. A little range in temperatures right now from 54 in Hamilton to 65 in Alexander City, 64 in Anniston, and right around 60 here in the Birmingham metro. Through the evening hours, pretty quiet. We'll see a couple of waves of clouds, but the winds will begin to shift out of the south. What that will do is that will bring in a little bit of moisture, but not a lot of rain. Any rain that we have tomorrow morning really is going to redevelop in North Alabama. I would say anywhere from north of Arab over through Decatur, up through Huntsville and over to the Shoals. So morning temperatures in the 50s, and look at this. We could be close to 80 degrees by tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a beautiful Saturday, and maybe for some of you, you can at least get outside. Maybe you don't want to go and talk to a lot of the neighbors, but maybe you could just enjoy being in the backyard or head to the park. But as we move into Sunday, we will see a little change in the weather pattern. By 4 a.m. Sunday morning, some light rain to our north. That will continue to shift south. So by 8 a.m., we could be seeing a few scattered showers, but it looks like a little break in the rain there. I would say sometime mid-morning. Then by 12 o'clock, heavier rainfall south of I-20. But notice by 1 o'clock, most of that rain pushes east. By 5, 6 o'clock, the rain's out of here, just with a couple of patches of rain Sunday night. Temperatures on Sunday, again, close to 70. We'll still be holding in the 60s Sunday night. So here's the big setup for tomorrow. We stay dry, but the big picture is that heavy rainfall will be well back to our west, well to our north. The Ohio Valley is actually getting some snow tomorrow. Not us, though. We'll be in the 70s, but look at these rain chances. So tonight the rain dwindles. Tomorrow only about a 20% chance, but then those rain chances go back up through next week. Here's what that looks like on the big map. Monday by around 2 p.m. Look at that widespread wet weather Monday night. A little break early Tuesday morning, the return of rain Tuesday afternoon, and then that continues through Wednesday as well. So we'll have a little bit of an unsettled weather pattern. I know I'm starting to sound like a bit of a broken record here, but that's what we're in for, a wet mess there midweek. So we can enjoy tomorrow, and then Sunday won't be terrible, just a couple of early morning showers and a nice afternoon. And then some wet weather next week. But you'll notice by the numbers on the map that we're not going to see any big changes in those temperatures over the next 7 days.